Okay, guys, in the previous video, part 4, the question I could not complete. The video halfway stopped. So let's call this as part 5, but I'm going to discuss the same question. All right, this is the question. So let's take a look. We have a triangle over here, and that's going to be called P. This is R, this is Q. Okay, and then over here we've got a line POS. Over here we've got a line TOR. Okay, now the length of PT is 3A. All right, PT is 3A, that's the given information. And then PQ, the whole PQ here is 4 times bigger than PT. All right, so that's the information given. So therefore I've got this as 9A. Right, so this is the diagram. Okay, PT is given as 3A. Now take a look at this. This is actually PT equals to 1 over 4 PQ. So this is how they'll give you an exam. What you need to do is bring down this PQ here. So it becomes PT over PQ is 1 over 4. Can you see that? Which means PT is 1 ratio PQ is 4 times bigger. So that is how I've got. So given was only 3A, but because this is 4 times, so the whole thing must be 12A. So this part will become 9A. All right? So make sure you have this vector symbol here. So 9A. Then they've also given us PR. PR is 8B. Okay, so that's the given information. The other given information, which is this, which is for part second question. So we'll come to that in a short while, all right? So meanwhile, the first question here is find TR and find PS. So I'm going to find TR first. Now how to find TR? You need to make an equation. TR, make an equation. How to make the equation? Write down the T plus the R. This letter must be same so that it can get cancelled off. All right. So TR, where's TR? TR is here. So choose one triangle first. So the first thing you need to do is choose a triangle. So since TR is here, I'm going to choose this triangle. Why did I choose this triangle? Because these two values are known. So TR here, so P is involved, R is involved. So P should be involved. So I'm going to choose P over here like this. Can you see? So P and P gets cancelled. You will get TR again. So this is how you check whether your equation is correct or not. So now what is TP? PT is 3A. So the opposite direction, TP, must be negative 3A. All right, negative 3A. All right. And what is PR? PR is given as 8B. So this is 1 mark question. So this is a paper 2 question, which normally carries about 8 marks. So however, we have just done a 1 mark, right? A 1 mark question has been done. Next, let's take a look at PS. All right, let's take a look at PS. So for PS, I'm going to erase this top part here. So what is PS? You need to create an equation again. You need to create an equation again. PS is over here. And there's another information which is given is the S is actually the midpoint of RS, RQ, midpoint. Now how do you find PS? Before you find PS, you need to choose a triangle. What is the triangle you're going to choose? So let's say I choose this triangle. I want to find PS. I'm choosing this triangle. But this triangle, this part, we don't know the value. So therefore, we need to find this value first. But this value you can't find, you need to find RQ first. So your step 1 here will be to find RQ. So step 1 here will be, let's find RQ. So what is RQ here again? So RQ, let's create the equation. Put down like this, plus Q. So where's your triangle? Where's your triangle? RQ is here. So let's choose the big triangle, big triangle. So it's RQ, big triangle involves P. So I'm going to choose P. I'm going to choose P here. So this is P, can you see that? So sorry, P here. So therefore the P and the P gets cancelled off and you'll get RQ. Okay, so what is RP? PR is given. PR is given, but we need RP. So RP is in the opposite direction. It's going to become 8B, negative 8B. What is PQ? PQ here is 12A, 12A. So I'm going to write down 12A. Okay, good. So I have found RQ, which means RS. What is RS? RS, this is RQ. RS must be half of this. So we already know what is RS. RS must be half of this, which means it should be negative 4B plus 6A. So that is RS. So what is the question? The question is find PS. So since the question is find PS, can you please create the equation for PS? So what's the equation for PS? So you need to write down the PS equation. So what is PS equation? So let's write it down. What's the first step? You must choose a triangle. Which triangle is that? So let's choose PS. PS, I'm choosing this triangle. So I'm going to go PS means start from P, PQ, QS. PQ, QS. Look at that. Q and Q gets cancelled. You get PS. So now let's put in the values. PQ is 12A. What is QS? QS is midpoint, half of RQ. But RQ is this way. But now we are going QS. All right, okay. Now actually you can also get another equation for PS. Can you give me another equation? Let's say I choose another equation for PS. All right, which one is that? So if I'm going to choose for PS, I can also choose PRS. Maybe that's easier. All right, so let's choose PRS. I'm going to use PR. Okay, same stuff. You'll get the same answer, no worries. All right, so PR plus RS. So what is PR? PR is 8B. And what is RS? RS is half of this. So half of this means negative 4B plus 6A. So what do you get, please? What do you get? So you're going to get 4B plus 6A. So that is now PS. Make sure you're clear. Are you clear about this? You okay? All right, good. So that is now PS. We have found this. So together you're going to get 1 mark for the first question. Then this will be 2 marks, okay? So this is a paper 2 question. So normally this is how it's going to come out. Okay, so this is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, so this is step 1 and this part here will be step 2. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, great. Next question, which is written here, I wrote it in a simple way, is to find the value of H and K. What is H? What is K? So given information is OR is equals to HTR. TR is the whole thing. TR. So OR is a smaller part. So the information given here is OR is HTR. Small value, a small number. Part of TR. OR is part of TR. So therefore, information given, let's use the information. So what is TR? TR is given, let's substitute TR inside. So what is TR? I'm going to take TR and substitute inside here. H, negative 3A plus 8B. Okay, take a look. Are you okay? All right, so we've done that. This is a sure question. Every year will come on. Carries at least 4 to 5 marks in the exam. Sure will come on. Definitely will come on. So you need to master this stuff. Look for this kind of questions and master it. I'm going to give you a few more tutorials later, all right, until you become very good at this. In fact, this must be one of your soalan pilihan. You must choose this because it's far more easier, all right? Okay. Next, let's find OS. Let's find OS. OS is given as KPS. We have already found what is PS. So let's substitute PS. What is K? PS is 4B plus 6A. All right? So that's how it is. Okay? Good. So your work is now to find the value of H and K. That's what the question is. So it's a bit tricky. This is where the K-bar stuff comes in, because they don't tell you how, but you need to solve it yourself. So what you need to do here is, so remember, this is always the trick. You see, the first part which we have done is actually helping here. The TR which you found, we put in here. The PS which you found, you put in here. That means they're all guided, they're helping you to find the answer. Now, the last part, which always uses this technique, is use whatever which is given to create a new equation. You following me? What did I say? Use whatever which is given to create a new equation. So how do you know what equation to create? So normally that's where the students get stuck. They're not sure how to create the equation. So the equation is all here. Look at this, O and O, which means if you put it properly, if you arrange it properly, the O and O will cancel. What remains? RS, which means your equation should be RS equation. Or SR, whichever. You can use SR or RS. So let's choose RS. RS means it should be RO plus OS. So this is what's not given, and this is where you're supposed to figure out. So most students will not be able to figure out, they'll be thinking, well, how to do this, but it's very simple. Look at the same letter. The same letter will always get cancelled. So what remains, that's what you create as equation. You got it? Okay. So now let's substitute inside. What is RS? Do we know what's RS? Yes, we already know what's RS there. Did we find RS somewhere here? RS is this. RS. Okay. So let's put in RS here. What is RO? Here, RO is here. Let's times it in. Okay. So negative 3HA 8HB plus OS. What is OS? OS is 4KB times in plus 6KA. Okay, so that's your equation. So once you have done that, you probably get 1 mark for this equation. Now remember, in vector, we don't solve questions. We don't solve questions in normal algebra way. We just do comparing, compare. We just compare. So how do we compare? The A on this side, so please write down in exam, compare both sides. Compare both sides. So 6A here will be same as all the A's on the other side, which is negative 3HA plus 6KA. You see, the A here is the same as this A plus this A. So it's always done like this through comparing A and A, B and B. So now if you simplify, let's simplify this stuff. Let's cancel off the A and divide everything by 2. What do you get? So you'll get 2 here, divide everything by 3. You'll get divide by 3, 2 divided by 3, negative H, divide by 3, you'll get 2K. So this is your equation number 1. You okay? Next part, let's compare the B. So the B, now how you compare B? Let's compare B. So negative 4B on this side, negative 4B must be equal to 8HB plus 4KB. All right. So now let's cancel off the B's. The B's gets cancelled. Are you following me? They're here. B, B, B. So this 3. So this equal to this 2. It's always compare. No need to use algebra method, bring here and over the other side, right hand side, left hand side. Unnecessary, don't waste your time. All right, so cancel off the b and divide everything by 4. When you divide by 4, you're going to get -1. All right, here you divide it by 3. Here let's divide by 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Hey, correct? Equation number 2. And then now do your simultaneous equation. Do your simultaneous equation. I'm going to erase this stuff. Okay? I'm going to erase this stuff. Do your simultaneous equation and then solve it and find the h and the k. So let's solve that stuff. How are you going to solve? What is that? So easy way is, what is h? If you bring h here from number 1, so since from 1, h comes here, 2 goes there. So h is equals to 2k minus 2. Sub this into 2. Sub into 2. So let's substitute inside 2. So -1 is here, equals to 2h. H is here. So substitute your h. 2k minus 2 plus k. Let's simplify. 4k minus 4 plus k. So 5k, bring the -4 over this side. -4 this side. -4 plus -4 comes here, +4 plus 1, you get 3. So what is k? K is 3 over 5. So that's your answer for k. All right. Then proceed to find what is h. Let's substitute here again. Okay, let's substitute here. So what is h? H is equals to 2, 3 over 5 minus 2. All right, I'm getting how much? 6 over 5 minus this, minus 2. You try minusing yourself. So I am getting -4 over, is it? Yeah, 6 over 5, -4 over 5. That's your answer. Okay, good. So this is one example of paper 2 question. Very important. I'm going to give you one more tutorial very soon. So this is part 5. Wait for part 6 and part 7. Okay, thank you.